Precision Input Control. Go to Detail tab and draw a shape. On the Modify toolbar, click on Resize tool, edit width depth, and click OK. Batch rendering 3D views. This feature allows you to place saved 3D views in a queue for rendering final high-quality images. Instead of rendering each view individually, users can select several views and initiate the final rendering process. Rendered image files are saved in specified folder. To save a 3D view, set the view in the 3D window, then go to 3D menu, Save 3D Views, Save 3D View, enter the name of the view and click OK. After saving the 3D views, go to File menu, Export Batch Render. Select Views to render, export format, export quality, size, and the folder where you would like to save the rendered images, and click on the Start button. The program will then automatically start rendering those views and save them in the folder you have chosen. CAD Detail Tools. Combo CAD tool is now available on all plan tabs. It allows you to add CAD details specific to each plan. Add notes, callouts, and details to any of the plan sheets. Custom subplans. The new Custom Subplan feature allows you to organize elements of your design onto subplans, so you have the complete control what is visible in 2D or 3D. To create a new subplan, on the Plan tabs bar, click on Subplan Settings. Click on the Add button, enter the new subplan name and click OK. To move an object to a subplan, right-click on the object, move to Plan, click to select the subplan where you would like to move the object and click OK. On the Plan tabs bar, click on Subplan Settings, click to select the subplan, edit the 2D or 3D visibility and click OK. To add, rename, or delete template, click on the Add, rename or delete button and click OK. Default design settings templates. You can customize your design options, such as font, lighting, lot size, and more, and save them as a template. This template will be applied to any new design files created. Customize your design options, such as font, lighting, lot size, and more. To save them as template, go to Design menu, Options, New Design Templates. Click on the Create New Template to create a new template. Choose the template name and click OK. To update or delete an existing template, go to Design menu, Options, New Design Templates. Click to select the template you want to update or delete. Click on Update or Delete Template button and press OK. Duplicate shape. Draw any shape. On the Modify toolbar, click on the Duplicate tool. Click to check Duplicate as CAD Detail and click OK. This feature easily duplicates shapes of existing smart objects to be converted to another type without having to tediously trace over the shape with another tool. Floor 2D/3D Visibility Control. On the Active Floor button, choose Custom View. Click to select Floor, edit Floor 2D or 3D visibility and click OK. This feature allows complete control over which floors of the design are visible in 2D or 3D. Quick Edit shortcuts. Navigate to the Help menu and choose the Shortcuts list option. This will open a PDF file with all the shortcuts available for your convenience. Shrink Expand tools. Draw any shape using the tools and click to select it. adds ability to quickly shrink or expand the size of selected elements by a specific distance, using keyboard shortcuts or editing toolbar buttons. Quickly change the width, height, and depth of any object simply by using the plus and minus keys. Spray Topography Tools. Select Spray Topography Tool from Terrain tab. From the Properties tab, select Brush Type, Elevation Change, and other settings. Click and drag on the lot surface in the 3D window to change the topography. Select Smooth Topography tool. From the Properties tab, select Brush Type and other settings. Click and drag on the lot surface in the 3D window to smooth the topography. Select Erase Topography tool. From the Properties tab, select Brush Type and other settings. Click and drag on the lot surface in the 3D window to erase the topography. On the Properties tab, click Erase All Spray button to erase all the sprayed topography. Thanks for watching.